everybody, today I'm going to show you my DIY lava lamp. So, I'll tell you about it. So, density, it tells us how tightly packed any material is. Like a small rock is denser than a big cotton ball, as it has more mass than in the same amount of space. And buoyancy is the force that pushes objects up in a liquid or gas, making them float. So, we need only 4 things: baking soda, vinegar, oil, and food coloring. Any color you like, you can use. So, I'll tell you about them. So, density density is like oil floats on top of the vinegar due to being lighter, and less dense substances float on denser substances. And for example, like oil floating on the water or vinegar in the lava lamp. So next is mixable or non-mixable. For example, like the oil and water or vinegar do not mix together, but sugar and water mix together. So did you know that different substances do not blend or dissolve easily? So for example, like the oil and water separating in a lava lamp. Carbon dioxide, like the baking soda and vinegar react and releasing CO2. Or the bubbles is coming. So the chemical reaction produces gas bubbles. For example, like in the bubbles forming in a lava lamp, and the buoyancy. It is like the gas bubbles rise through the oil and then sink back down. So the buoyant force causes the objects to float or sink. For example, the bubbles moving up and down in a lava lamp. And color mixing. So adding the food coloring creates the colored bubbles in the lamp. So the colors mix when substances combine or interact. And colored bubbles, for example, like colored bubbles in a lava lamp. And for your safety, so you do not conduct this experiment without any adults. You have to conduct with them. So you can't even handle a single material on your own. So let's learn about the working principle, or how does it work. So the experiment shows that by combining simple ingredients can create a magical dance of colors and bubbles. So it's mixing and reacting. So the baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, causing this reaction. So this reaction creates bubbles of CO2. And it drops the colorful bubbles. So how do the colorful bubbles come? So the food coloring drops of food coloring are mixed with the vinegar and added to the mixture. The CO2 gas carries the color, making colorful bubbles. So the floating and sinking. So when the oil is added, it stays on the top, just like a blanket. The gas bubbles rise through the oil and then sink back down. This creates a wonderful display of floating and sinking. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more science. Lava